Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing and talk about the AMX X1 hybrid earphones. So we have seen a lot of wireless earphones, we have reviewed wireless earphones, and there are also a lot of wired earphones, but the AMX X1 is kind of hybrid earphones, which means you can use this as both wired as well as wireless. So that's the specialty of the AMX X1. We'll also be having a giveaway of the AMX X1 dual driver earphone, so stay tuned till the end of the video to know how to get hold of one. And this also comes with a dual driver. So in this video we'll talk about our experience using this device, the sound performance, and also the build quality and other aspects as well. So this is the AMX X1 with dual drivers, and you can see that it comes with 6mm into 2 drivers, and the frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and 12 months manufacturing warranty is also included, and the pricing is 2500 for this earphone. So that's a really good pricing for a hybrid earphones. So we'll talk about that earphone. So let's just unbox this earphone and show you what all it comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see the AMX manual. So this manual shows you how to charge the earphones, everything is included, how to pair it, all the aspects of the earphone is included. So both the wired and wireless earphones are bundled together. Now the actual earphone is a simple and neat casing. It comes in transparent red color, which actually gives it a great feel altogether. You can see how good the packaging is, and let's just take this out. So there you go. So that's how the X1 looks. It's a really good design, and you can see the transparent one, and the X1 branding is on the top. So this is how the earphones look, and here we have openings to toggle between wired and wireless earphones. So we'll just talk about that later. So this is the two earphones. So looks really good in terms of the build quality, fit and finish, and it feels solid in hand. So that's the X1. So let's just keep this X1 here for a minute, and here we can see that there is an option for this wireless cable. So this is the wireless cable. So this is the unique mechanism. What you can do is just this is a magnetic kind of mechanism, and you can just pull it out and tie this around your neck so that it won't come out easily. And once you're tied it around your neck, this also has this option to charge this wireless earphones. So when you're using wireless earphone, you need to have power. That's how these earphones are charged. So this is the option for charging, and what you can do is you can just plug this around your neck, wear this around your neck, and this will work perfectly. Now this is how this works. So this is the wireless one we are right now trying. So this also has this option for powering up and down volume keys, and you can also use this for calls as well. So this is how you power the earphone. So when you power it on, you can see there is an LED indicator which shows that the earphones are now powered. So how you can connect this is interesting. Here you can see that this wireless earphone set has 2 cables where you can pin this to the earphone. So there you go, that's how you pin it. Now you can use this as a wireless earphone. So this is how the entire set of wireless cable look like, and the quality of the cable is really good. It has nylon finishing and works pretty well. So this is a really great quality earphones included, and that's how the wireless set works. So you can just pair it and wear this around your neck. So you can just wear it around your neck, and this is a really good mechanism. It won't fall out. So that's how it works. So that's the wireless one. Now let's if you want to use that wired headset, so there is also a cable for wired headset. So this is how the wired headset looks like, the standard 3.5mm audio cable and the AMX branding. Again, this has a really great finishing to the cable, and this also has this 2 joints to attach to the earphone. So if you want to use that wired headset, just pull this out from the wireless cable, and we'll just show you once again. So there you go, we have just pulled out the earphones, and now you can just plug into the wired set. So there you go. So it's a pretty neat mechanism. So it's a hybrid earphones where you can use as both wireless as well as wired earphones. So that's the specialty of the AMX X1 earphone. So we are quite impressed with the build quality offered by these earphones at 2500 price segment. So that is one of the highlights of this device, and while using the earphones in your ears, it gives a good feeling altogether, and it does not fall out from your ears when using. So now that's the earphones. Now let's also talk about other aspects included. So we have a charging cable included, and a good carrying pouch is also included. So these are some really useful and handy stuffs included. Now finally, in the box packing you also get 6 sets of ear tips. So this is something really good the company has provided. So you can see here different sizes it comes. So based on how you're comfortable using the ear tips, you can have a wide range of ear tips included. That's something really good, because most of the earphones when you buy, you get additionally 1 or 2 sets of ear tips in case you lose one. But here we have 6 pairs of ear tips along with the default one, which is already included. So based on your comfort, you can change these ear tips. So this is something really good provided by AMX X1. So you can change the ear tips whenever you want. If you feel something is not comfortable, you can go for the bigger one, the smaller one, or even the medium range is also included. So 6 of them are included. So that's something really good. Talking about the performance, so we are quite impressed with the performance of the X1. So we have been using this for quite some time, and this has really great performance. The sound output is really good, and overall quality of the sound output is impressive for a 2.5K priced earphone. So the good feature of this earphone is that it does not make your ear uncomfortable after using for longer hours. So that is one good aspect of this earphone. So it does not make your ears uncomfortable, and it's quite comfortable to use even for longer time. Now the battery life, the expected battery life is around 5 hours on a maximum on a single charge when you're using Bluetooth. Again, it all depends upon the volume you play music on this earphone. So average you can get around 4.5 to 5 hours of battery life on this X1, which is quite good for this size, and works pretty well. Probably the only issue we had, it's not kind of issue, but probably the only complaint we have for X1 is that the bass performance is not really high. So if you're a person who loves listening to high bass music, then this might not be the best out there, but still the quality of the overall earphones is really good. So except for the bass performance, the X1 from AMX looks really good, and overall it's worthy earphones in this price segment. So probably the best you can get in the 2500 price segment, and this is available on Amazon. So AMX X1 also has this aptX technology from Qualcomm's. So aptX technology from Qualcomm helps in improving the sound output. So we have seen aptX technology on a lot of earphones. So this also comes with Qualcomm's aptX technology, and the overall performance looks pretty good. So that was the unboxing and review of the AMX X1 hybrid earphones with dual drivers, and the overall performance looks really good. So now coming to the giveaway, we are giving away one set of AMX X1 earphone worth 2500 rupees, and this is one of the really good earphones you can buy in this price segment, dual driver earphone. So to participate in this contest, just go to the description of this video and follow or like us on our social media channels. So we have listed all the social media channels on in the description of this video. So go to the description, like or follow our channel, subscribe to this channel, and post a comment in this video if you want to participate in the giveaway. So we will be announcing the giveaway winner in a week time or so, and stay tuned to in our community tab to know who the winner is. So that was the unboxing and review of the earphones from AMX the X1, and this is a hybrid earphones with dual drivers and aptX technology, which makes it really good in this price segment. So if you plan to buy these earphones, you can head over to Amazon. The link is available in the description of this video. This is priced to $499, and this makes it a good value for money earphones in this price segment. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.